Hi everybody, it's Bobby at Divamage Style, and I thought I would record my first video. Here I'm in Los Angeles, a lot of time on my hands, and I thought I'd make all dressed up and nowhere to go. A little video record of outfits I put together after I get them at the thrift shop and go out in the world and see what happens. So I've been looking at this jacket for a long time. It's a little small. Notice I say the jacket's too small rather than I'm too big, but I just love it. It's Shantung silk, this kind of creamy beige, handmade in Hong Kong by, Renoir tailors. So it's a bespoke piece, just beautiful, probably technically a 40. I'm a 42, so it's a little tight. As you can see, I'm popping out in the middle, but still, I thought it was just the best fabric and I wanted to keep it, so I thought I'd try an experiment today. If it didn't work, it was going back to a thrift shop. That's me with my bandana and my Ray-Bans and my Scala flat cap, which is one of my favorites. I'm a brown person, a little brown. It's February in Los Angeles, so it's still it's 60 degrees today. That was the scarf I used. This kind of nice pashmina. Underneath it is a Polo Ralph Lauren cotton t-shirt. Actually, it's a collared polo with no buttons on it. The shoes are Fry boots. That's their model Sawyer Chelsea boot. Got them at Goodwill. Absolutely perfect condition. A couple weeks ago. $14.99. Yep. So that was quite a steal. But I wanted this jacket to work, so I took it out today. I wore it. I added that scarf because it was just a little bit open and naked and not that interesting. So I tied a scarf in Los Angeles. It's Scarf Central for men and women. Nothing unusual there. And this fabric is just speaking to me. It's just making me happy. Single vent there. Beautiful. So it's the odd jacket. Look at that fabric close up. Just look at that texture. That little nubby thing going on. It's a thrift shop jacket, and this is why we thrift, because you don't find jackets like this lying around. And it's bespoke, handmade, whoever the client was. There's no details in the pockets, so your guess is as good as mine. But I just wanted to wear it, and today it is a success. I'm keeping it, unless I gain any more weight, and it's not going back to the thrift shop. So, signing off, I thought I would just try this. Put together my outfits and kind of document it and throw it up on YouTube and see if anyone runs me out of town on a rail. So hope you enjoyed this. If you have any comments, leave it down below. And I've been itching to try this for the longest time, and now I did it. So, well, we'll see what happens.